Want to play poker smarter and stop relying on luck? The biggest improvements come from making better decisions, showing discipline, and knowing exactly when to act at the table. You do not need to play every hand. Being selective is one of the simplest poker strategies. Waiting for stronger situations helps you avoid unnecessary mistakes and keeps you in control. Your position at the table matters more than you might think. Acting later in a round gives you valuable information about what other players are doing, helping you make more informed decisions. Pay close attention to how your opponents bet. Instead of focusing only on your own cards, notice changes in their behavior, bet sizing, and timing to better understand the situation. Patience is key in poker. Avoid chasing losses or making rush choices when you are frustrated. Staying calm helps you stick to your strategy and make smarter moves. Folding is not always losing. Sometimes protecting your chips and waiting for a better opportunity is the smartest move you can make. Winning poker is about consistent, smart decisions. Practice patience, observe the table, and stay disciplined. For more practical poker tips, subscribe for more educational videos.